In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run a cash flow analysis in Claude using your QuickBooks data. First, sign into your QuickBooks account and export your cash flow statement or other relevant financial reports. Then, open Claude and upload the report, or use your QuickBooks integration if you've already connected the two. Once your data is available, ask Claude to analyze your cash flow. For example, you can prompt it to summarize cash inflows and outflows, identify spending trends, highlight periods of negative cash flow, and suggest ways to improve your cash position. You can also ask Claude to compare your cash flow across multiple months, explain any major fluctuations, and identify seasonal patterns that may affect your business. This can help you plan ahead and make more informed financial decisions. Review Claude's analysis carefully, and if needed, ask follow-up questions to get more detailed insights or compare cash flow across different months or quarters. Using Claude with your QuickBooks data can help you understand your business's financial health faster and make more informed decisions. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description